In my view, the root cause of the kind of discoloration that you mentioned is irritation of the skin, which activates melanocytes. Melanocytes are the pigment-producing cells deep in the skin. And when activated, melanocytes produce melanin. Granules of melanin migrate upward in the skin and eventually surface as dark spots and discoloration. The Megabright range of skincare products is designed to address discoloration at its root, as well as deal with the visible signs. The natural ingredients that we've included are intended to prevent irritating triggers from activating melanocytes, to lighten existing dark spots, and to prevent the appearance of future dark spots.